Good morning, Year Twos. Thank you for your help and support this morning as we conclude the W&R research project. You'll recall that in January you all sat a pre-test, and now we are finishing the journey with the June post-test. The goal is simply to see what kind of growth, what kind of change has happened in your reading and writing skills. It's not for grade, it's not for evaluation. We're simply going to map what happened in January to what happened in June, to see any trends, to see growth, and to help us better plan and teach W&R2. So thank you for your support. The instructions are as follows. The first thing you want to do is take your lined paper that you're going to handwrite your answer on and label it with your ALA ID. This is very important. Please do not write or label your name anywhere. You're going to be identified solely by your ALA ID. So at the top, write your ALA ID number, and at the bottom, your page number, page 1 of 4, and then on page 2, you'll have your ALA ID number again, and then page 2 of 4 if you're writing 4 pages. So please do that now and have that ready. Once again, only identify with your ALA ID number and the page numbers, not your name, not your name. This will also apply to when you have uploaded on CamScanner. You're going to label the PDF file with your ALA ID number. So the file that you're submitting should be labeled ALA000, for example, your ALA ID number, not your name, not CamScanner, not W&R2 post-test, just your ALA ID number, please. Once you've done that, you're going to move to Canvas. The task is on the Leadership Thesis course. So you go to the Leadership Thesis course, you'll go to Modules, and then you'll find the module W&R2 post-test June. You've started, you found the intro video over here. Then go ahead and open the instructions and submission, which is this, right? Read the instructions carefully. You'll find a link to the text that we're responding to here as well as in the module. Make sure you understand this part pretty carefully. And then finally, you can, as I said, you can download the PDF to the article here, or you can find it here in the module. So 2 different places. And just so that we're on the same page, it's a PDF that looks like this: Why Are Poor Women Poor by Professor Kader. You will then read the text, and as per the instructions, write your response. And then once you're done, you'll be handwriting them on your answer paper. Again, ALA ID number only and page number only. You will save, upload onto CamScanner, name it your ALA ID number, and upload it to the Canvas assignment, which is this right here. So I hope that's clear. I'll be in virtual LC11 if there are any questions, and I'll send you a reminder when there are 5 minutes left in the task. You should spend about an hour on this. Thank you for your support. Let me know if there are any questions. Good luck.